Hi, in front of me is OnePlus 9 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. Firstly, open menu, find recorder and click on it. Then choose allow and click on the switcher over here. Then you need to go back and tap on this red button to start recording. You can pause it by clicking on the same one and unpause it the same way. If you wish to end your recording, tap on the square icon, name it, and tap on save. As you can see, my recording was successfully made and saved. If you want to delete it, hold it, click on delete, and delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!